Hello and welcome to Arijit's Academy of Music. I myself, Arijit Chatterjee, the teacher, guide and groomer of this academy. This is an academy where students, be it beginners or advanced, will come to know some of the easy and effortless ways to play the guitar, which will come with some months and years of practice. Students will have separate theory classes and will be given homeworks with theory and practical lessons. Once they are clear with the basics, they will be given backing tracks with which they will be practicing their lessons along with proper metronome and rhythm. As music has no definite age for starting, students starting from kids to aged get chance to jam together and play their own way, which explores their ideas and gives immense confidence and hence curtails their peer pressure to perform in front of the audience. Students will be having online classes as well, and as the class gets over, they will be provided a recorded session of the entire class. This is also a music production course once students have proper knowledge and control over playing in music theory and applications. In this music production course, students will come to know how to record guitar and use a guitar as well as program other instruments using their music knowledge right from the scratch. Once the students are comfortable with the basics, they will also be provided with lessons as refreshments, which comprise of Bollywood song guitar solos, as well as old school and modern popular bands and western numbers. For advanced classes, students will be taught genres like blues, jazz, and so on. So hurry up and join Arijit's Academy of Music to have a proper and vivid idea of it and how to master it and become a pro in the field of music. Stay safe with your family.